Hello students, good morning everyone. I hope you are safe in your home. I am giving some notes in your last videos. Not the last videos. I will give some CW works in the last days. So everyone completed that CW work in your new CW notes. Now we are going to discuss about the new lesson, movement of animals. In this lesson we are going to discuss how the animals move from one place to another place, what are the uses of their movement, and this topic we learn in this lesson. What is the body parts useful to movement to that animals? These topics we learn this in this lesson. So in this lesson here they give some pictures here. Look at this. Here there is the some funny animals are here. Some animals can jumping, some animals can snake. Here look at this in this picture snake can walk. Snakes are walking here, and some trees are jumping here, some tigers are jumping here, and the pumpkin was taking rest. Is this possible? No, it is a very funny moment. When the plants can walk, run or fly, what happened? It will be so scary about that, yes or no? So that means only animals will be move one place to another place. Why? Because plants can't move. Why? Because plants make their own food, plants prepare their own food, but animals did not prepare, can't prepare their own food. That's why for their needed to food need to move from one place to another place to finding the food and the shelter. So every animal uses different body parts for its movement, yes or no? Some animals can some are fly, the like birds are flying, and some animals can crowing, some animals can jumping, some animals can walk using with their legs. So in this lesson we discussed about this movement of animals. Different animals move in different ways, yes or no? Some animals can run, some animals can walk, some animals can jump, some animals can fly, and some animals can swim, yes or no? The fish can swim, the birds can fly, the kangaroos can hop, some animals like tiger, lions can run and walk. So now we are discuss this animals movement. First one, insects. We can see the so many insects in our home and our surroundings, yes or no? Like ants, cockroaches, flies, like this. So most of insects can crawl on the ground. Crawl means they can move in the ground only. Some some animals, some insects also fly, like flies. For example, crawl, ants. For where you can see ants can't fly. It's only crawl in the ground. So, but cockroaches can crawl in the ground and they can fly using with their wings, small wings. They can fly. Yes or no? Some reptiles, we can see, we can in our homes we can see the lizards. Lizard have the four legs. You can see, when you see in your home you can see the lizards have the four legs. Using with their four legs they can crawl on the ground and they can walk on the walls also. But snake also the snakes also the reptiles, but they have no legs to snakes. That's why they can crawl on the ground using with their stomach. Next one, birds. We can see so many different birds in our surroundings. Most of birds can fly, like parrots, crows, kingfishers, whatever animal birds we can see, they can fly. Some birds fly long distance, yes or no? For example, Arctic terns. It is a type of the crows, the cranes. Sorry, not crows, cranes. They can fly from North Pole to South Pole. Some birds can fly only short distance, like the hens. In our home, when you see the hens can't fly so much of distance. They can fly some of the short distance, like the peacocks also. Some birds can fly the great heights, like the kites. Kites can fly the great heights, the highest in the sky. So there are the some birds they cannot fly, such the ostrich, penguins, and the kiwis. You can see the kiwi picture here. In the kiwi picture they have the small wings are there. That's why kiwi bird did not fly in the did not fly. They can, these type of birds are called the flightless birds. What they are called? Flightless birds. And also some birds such as the road runners. The bird name is the road runners. We can see these road runner birds in the desert areas. Okay, they can run very fast. They can run very fast. Some of birds move from one place to another place in the search of the suitable climate. So the suitable weather for them, so they can move from one place to another place. That type of birds are called migratory birds. And which birds can move one place to another place for the searching of the suitable climate? That type of birds are called the migratory birds. For example, swallows and the Arctic terns. Already we told you the Arctic terns can fly from the North Pole to South Pole.